Hello everybody, my name is Soumya Sahi and I am your tarot card reader and a healer. So today we are going to do on a topic, will your person will marry you? I want you to just think of your person and just relax and meditate, and then we will start for your tarot card reading. Pick a pile. So here we have two options. Pile 1 is Reiki Pyramid and pile 2 is this crystal candle stand. So I just want you to relax and choose your pile according to your intuition, thinking, and think of your person, and then we will start here for pick a pile. Okay, so now let's start with our pile 1. What is there for pile 1? Okay, let's see. I am very excited to see what is there for pile 1. 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Wands, Knight of Cups, the World, and the Temperance. Now let's see what is there for your pile 1. So pile 1, your sun signs would be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Leo is very strong here. Okay. Now what I see here, your person will definitely marry you. Okay. He will bring you a offer of a cup, marriage offer. He is definitely thinking about you of making a very healthy family together. And like I mostly see here, like they want a secure marriage together. Okay, see, they want a secure marriage together, offer and a secure marriage together. And mostly they will communicate through a phone for a marriage, or communication will definitely come from their side. Okay, whomsoever you're thinking of, they will communicate to you very fastly in few days. Mostly what I see here, mostly 5-6 days or a month. For some people there is a month, or for some people there is a years or a days. Okay, for mostly I see a days, 6 days, 5 days. You can get a message or a call for a proposal for a marriage or engagement from your own partner, whomsoever you're thinking of. Okay, this guy or a girl is highly rich. Okay, they are already earning so well. They all are like doing so well in their family, and their business is just growing. Okay, this card, guy or a girl, is already a from very rich background, what I see here. Okay, and what I also see here is universe is with you all. See, universe is with you both. So you have to just stay relaxed, guys. If you were in tension, so just be relaxed, pile 1. Okay, hope you liked my reading. Pile 1, do like and comment below the section. Okay, now we will move for our pile 2. Let's see what's happening with our pile 2 who choose this crystal candle stand. Ready, pile 2? Let's see what's there for you. Will your person will marry you? Let's see this. Let's see our cards now. What is it? Page of Pentacles, the Devil, the Magician, Nine of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles. Okay, your zodiacs of the sign is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, what I see in your cards. Okay, right now what I also see is like most of your person are currently focused on their work. Okay, right now they are busy in making so much of money around, and like they are just right now busy in making their own work. Okay, they can be in a government job. What can I see here? Most of them are doctor and army men, army officer. Okay, most probably a government job, or some most of them also could be in a private job right now. Okay, and there is a nine of cups in a card which says they are highly emotional for you, like रोते हैं वो आपके बिना, and they are manifesting you. See this, they are just manifesting you. Pile 2, and even you are also manifesting them. You also cry for them. Okay, and they are very badly addicted to you. See how much badly they are addicted to you that they don't want to even leave you. They are scared if they leave you there will be some problem around. Okay, they are like behaving like so much of possessive currently, and they are just manifesting you. See, they are just manifesting you around. And yes, they will definitely come. So congratulations pile 1 and pile 2. I already shuffled these cards before, and these are from my new decks, which is Barbara Murray deck, and these are very lovely and beautiful cards. So see you next time, guys. Hope you liked my reading. Do like and comment below if anything resonates with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.